The ruggedized Klein Electronics Triumph earpiece. Push-to-talk action with an armature, loud professional speaker, and quick disconnect audio tube. With Kevlar reinforced cables and a variety of earpiece options, the Triumph is now built for the Samsung Galaxy XCoverPRO. PTT function works great with Microsoft Teams Walkie-Talkie application, ESChat, Zello, Motorola Wave, and on the FirstNet platform. Simply connect the Triumph to your Samsung device. Features include a rubberized inline push-to-talk button and a noise-canceling microphone. A swivel metal alligator clothing clip that reveals a single-screw battery-covered door for replaceable battery. Ruggedized strain reliefs on both ends ensure cables don't pull out or break. An adjustable collar clothing clip makes it easy to secure to your shirt or uniform. A high memory recoil cable ensures you can turn your head without having a whole bunch of extra wire length. The super loud professional armature speaker is very small in size and has a quick disconnect audio tube. A quarter turn in and out releases the audio tube, making it easy to replace for hygiene, shift workers, or simply clean out. The Klein Electronics Triumph ruggedized push-to-talk earpiece, built for the Samsung Galaxy XCoverPRO. Loudspeaker, noise-canceling microphone, ruggedized push-to-talk button. Perfect for your team.